Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to design thumbnail for YouTube in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, create a new canvas by 1280 to 720 pixels and make sure resolution is 300 and hit OK. I'm designing a thumbnail about millionaire. So first I'm importing the image of a luxury villa and transform it to the canvas size. Hit enter. Now I am adding the dollar bills and again transform it with the canvas size and reduce the fill to 50% and opacity to 70%. Now create a solid color layer of red color and change that blend mode to multiply. Now it's time to adding the main subject, importing a man in suit holding dollar bills and again transform it. Hit OK. To match with the background, create a color balance layer and create a clipping mask. Increase the red color in midtones. Select shadows and increase the red in shadows. Select highlights and increase the red in highlights. Now create a curves layer. Again clipping mask. Now go to blending options. Add outer glow of red color and blend mode to screen and reduce the size to 30% and add some inner glow as well and reduce the size to 10%. Hit OK. Now press Ctrl Alt plus A to select all layers and again press Alt A plus E to merge in a new layer and convert it into smart object and go to filter, camera raw filter and play with these sliders to get more interesting results. Increase exposure, increase contrast, highlights, shadows, increase vibrance, saturation, temperature and increase the texture, clarity, dehaze, add some grains. Now I'm satisfied with the result, so just click on OK. You can see here is the before and here is the after. Now it's time to add the text. Create a new layer and pick a text tool and type how to become and change its font to Gotham black. Increase the font size to, I think 20 is good enough. Millionaire in early 2025. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle and I am highlighting millionaire with red color and change the millionaire color to red one and change the font as well. Now go to blending options and add a drop shadow to text. Just copy this layer style and place on all the text. And select L and press Ctrl G to group and tilt a little bit to make it more amazing. And done. And here's the final look of our thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video.